Hello, welcome back. So I just want to say thank you so much for 40 subscribers. And for that special video, we are going to meet a German Shepherd puppy today. Let's go meet it right now. Here we are. Oh God, that puppy is so funny. It's playing with this water ball. Julie is so scared. And this puppy name is Minnie, and it's 2.5 months old. That puppy looks so cute, and it's trying to play with our Julie. He started playing with me too. Wow. It seems like Julie is so scared by seeing that. I'm just pulling her right now. She is not moving a little bit. I'm just pulling harder. Julie started running. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, she's also following. Okay, Julie is running. I can't hold her, oh my god. Oh, many dogs here. Okay. So she's so scared and she jumped on the chair. Oh. Okay, I left her and I'm just telling her bye, and then I'm going to call her by standing there. Let's see whether she is coming or not. Oh God, she's coming. Oh God, I can't believe it. Julie. Oh God. No one can stop Minnie. Julie is so scared right now. If I sit, she will jump on the bench. Like this. Oh gosh, she's also trying to come. Julie is so scared. Julie is getting tense. Oh, Minnie started jumping. Okay. It looks like Julie is so scared, guys. Okay, we are going to home. Let's end up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to watch more videos like this. And like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.